We're about to unbox this guy today. Maxx Monster Energy Traxxas. 60 plus miles per hour it says. It's the top of the line truck. Looks like we're going to have the truck in here. Waterproof electronic speed control. Got a battery pack with high current connector. Charger. Got the radio system. Quick start guide. Handy tool set. Let's check it out. Looks like it's factory sealed right here. Cool. Let's take a look. There's that remote. Okay, looks nice. Feels really light. Traxxas link enabled. Okay. Oh, there it is. Let's get this guy out of here. That's a beast right there. Limited edition body. I'll take that plastic off in a minute. See what else is in here. Got a quick start guide there. Some tools. Yeah, looks like the batteries and chargers right here. Alright, gonna get this all set up and then we'll take a look at it.